Hi everyone, my name is Amy and I'm your nutrition manager. So I'm here to show you how to use the software Point Click Care in different ways as a nutrition staff. So first off, we go clinical. Just we basically log in with our information and go to clinical, click new resident. We're creating a new profile here. So the profile resident name is Tom and the last name is James, and the date of birth. So me and my groupmate decided it would be on September. Sorry, 09 10 60 1960. So the gender, he's male. Press search. Press continue. And for the resident number, we can just make up for now, but in real world, most of the information here will be done by the nursing staff. So, and we basically filling up all the required sections. So for this one, for this resident, we'll put ambulatory. And for the allergies, in real world, if the new resident indicated that they have an allergy, we can put it in this section. But for now, in this resident, we can just put non-known allergies. And then press save and new. So right now, we created Tom James profile. So here it is. And that's the profile. So for the second way, using as a nutrition managers, using the point click care, we can input the resident's weight and vitals. So in order to do that, let's go to weight and vitals here. View all. We're just going to input his 3 weights. Create new. So he was weighed last August 10 for August 10, 2021. And he got 80 kilograms. And for his height, he's 180 centimeters. And the method of getting his height is by standing. Press save. And for his second weight, that was on August 31st. And he's 78 kilograms. And his height didn't change, 180 centimeters. And the method used is by the resident standing. So here is the second weight. And for his third weight or current weight, just press new. And he was weighed on September 21st, 2020, and his weight that time was 77 kilograms, and he has same weight, 180 centimeters, and the method used was standing. And just press save. So here are the 3 weights of the resident, and this is another way of using point click care as a nutrition manager. For the other way, as a nutrition manager, we're allowed to section K in RIMDS. Sorry, for the next way, we're creating a care plan for Mr. James. So let's go to care plan here. Create new. create new custom focus. So for the description, our patient, based in our case studies, have diagnosed with diabetes mellitus type 2. Just input it here. Two. So who let's input it here. Who can see our care plan? So nursing staff, and who can review it? Nursing staff, dietary, and say save and new. Now we created care plan for Mr. James. So for the goal, sorry, we created a focus for his which is his diabetes mellitus type 2. Now we can create the goal. See, press new custom goal. So for his goal, free signs symptoms of type 2 type 2 diabetes, and save new. So as we can see here, here's our goal for Mr. James. And for intervention, press new custom intervention. So here for the interventions, I put discuss meal times, portion sizes, dietary restrictions, snacks allowed in daily nutritional plan, compliance with nutritional regimen, and press save and new. So now we created a care plan for Mr. James. So that's the other way of using point click care as a nutrition manager. And then the other one is the RIMDS, and I'll show you quickly. So for the RIMDS, we can just click Harvey Visor profile here. So let's go to MDS, click edit. And nutrition managers and nutrition staff or the dietitian can only code in section K of the RIMDS, which is the oral and nutritional status of the resident. So just click edit. This is how section K looks like. So nutrition managers can only code at section K.1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. For section K.6, their parenteral and enteral intake should be done by the registered dietitian. So for the first one, say for example for this resident, he has an oral problem of swallowing problem. We can check the box, and then you see there's a wrap here, the resident assessment protocol. This will trigger the wrap and then can cause other health issues or concerns. And so we have to be mindful for that one, because if we click if the patient have swallowing problem, we're triggering the wrap. So for the height and weight, we can input the height here in centimeters and then the weight. And for the weight change, if the patient is losing weight or gaining weight, we can determine that by using the formula of previous weight minus the current weight divided by the previous weight multiplied by 100, and that gives us the weight change formula if weight change, if it's significant or not. So if 5% or more in last 30 days, or 10% or more in last 180 days, that's 6 months. So just press yes or no if if this patient is losing weight, press and sorry, significant lose weight significantly, then press yes. And then if not, then press no. If there's no weight available weight, press unknown, same as weight gain. So for the nutritional problems, Here, say for example, this patient have complaints about the taste of many foods. Can just click the box, and then again, you see there's a wrap beside it. That means that we're triggering the wrap. So, complaints about food can cause any health sorry, other health concerns. For K.5, the nutritional approaches. So K.5A, B, and then D, which is the parenteral or IV feeding tube, and then the syringe, oral feeding. That this can be done by the registered dietitian as well. So we're only allowed to check um, K.5C, E, F, G, and H. Only for nutrition manager, that's only the area we're allowed to touch. So, for this resident, maybe we can put his in mechanically altered diet. He's in a texture modified, and then you can click many areas depending on the resident, and depending on the assessment for the resident. So he's having a dietary supplement between meals as well. So just click that box and press save and exit. And that's all. This is a different ways of using point click care as a nutrition manager. Thank you.